And to anyone that may be watching this video, today I will be making a new family, and I will make this cabinet, wall cabinet with these measurements, width 24, depth 15, and height 30. I will try to make something like this, very similar. So we go to Revit, we go to families, create new, and we go to metric casework because this is what we use for the furnitures. We wait for it to open. Okay, now that it's open, we will first edit the measurements on properties. We change the depth. We said that it's going to be 15 inches, and it will automatically change to millimeters. That is the unit that we are working on. The height is going to be 30 inches, enter, and the width is going to be 24 inches. We double check that everything is correct. Okay, we double check. We press OK. Now that everything has been edited, we go to the front view and we will press this line and create similar. This is the easiest way to create our reference lines. We choose the pick lines. We maintain this always lock, and we choose our frame thickness is going to be 20 millimeters. Enter, and we will make this to the inside on each of these lines, except the one in the middle that is just for reference. Now that we have this, we can go to create extrusion and we will select the pick lines. This always needs to be also locked. So we will put here, 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 here. We check that each line is locked. Okay, now we'll trim. Here goes here, this goes here, this goes here. Sorry, here and here. We can also choose the rectangle that I will be using both just to show on this video, and we will have to lock it also. Now that we have this, we can press check. We go to view 1 to check how it went. We press double click on the wheel to center it, and there we have the drawing. Now we will go to the right view, and we will move this to this side so that it's inside our workspace. We will go now to the reference view, and we will make another reference line, create similar, pick lines, lock, and this time is going to be 15 millimeters. Okay, we will make also the extrusion, the rectangle. We will select from here to here, and we will have to lock it. After we lock it, we press OK, and we go to the 3D to check how it went. Yep, so to do it, we will go now to the back, because this is located on the back of the drawing that we're making. We put it until here, and this line until here, so that it goes on the interior rectangle. Sorry, I'm gonna redo it so that I can lock it. Okay, now that it's there, we can see that everything is correct. After this, we will go again to the front view, and we will create some measurements from here to here. Sorry, from there to there, and we will lock it. Now this measurement, we will go to labels, and we will create a new label called frame thickness. This will be on type, and we press OK. Okay, this is too big, so we're gonna change the scale to 110, and we're gonna repeat this measurement on all the places that we made our reference lines, which are all of these. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to lock it. There it goes. Now we will select these measurements that we created, and we will put it on the label that we also created, which is frame thickness. Okay, now that we have this, we will do the same, but on the reference level that this will be for the other measurement, this one. We will change the scale, we will select it, and we will create a new label. Okay, this will be panel thickness. Sorry. And we press OK. Now that we have this, we go to the reference view, and we will create a few reference lines. On this case, they are going to be also log. It's going to be 5 millimeters and then 15 millimeters. This 5 millimeters is for the distance between between the block that we already have and the door that we want to make. And the 15 is for the panel that will go for the door, sorry. So we also select this and we change the label to panel thickness. I'm putting the other one also in panel thickness since they have the same measurement. So we go again to the front and we will create the door, which will be with also extrusion. We will select the rectangle and we will go from here to here. We will lock, 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 and check. We go to the first one to check. Okay, we see right now that it's very thick is because of the extrusion end that we put here. We can change it to 15, or we can go to the reference level and we can change it from here. So we said that we wanted this line to start here after 5 millimeters. We block it, and then it's gonna be until here, which is the 15 millimeters. We go to the view and we can see that this is already done. We are gonna put some materials. I want to make it, for example, this and this will go with wood. You can select over here. There are two ways you can create a parameter. This will make that when you move the family to a project, it will change on a specific type of families, or you can make instance for only one type of the families that you have moved. So right now we won't do it. We will just select the material. Right now I want, let's say, pine. We go with pine southern. Southern. Yeah, that one is okay. So we select it, and then we will make this realistic so that we can see the difference. Sorry, let me select it again. Check. Sometimes the material doesn't get changed. We select again the pine. Okay, there it is. The door, we could also make it the same material, or we can change it. We can make our own design. Let's say we want to make a window, then this will have to have its own frame, and it's going to be a little bit smaller on the inside, and then we will have to make an extrusion to delete what is there, and then make another extrusion to put the window. That will be for another video if there's another video in the future, which I hope there is not. And that's it. Thank you very much, and thank you.